Hello guys, what's up? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. In this video, I'm talking about the huge falls of XYO network, and that is the warning video for all XYO network holders, guys. XYO price very petty dumps, very petty decrease, guys. So what should we do in the right now situation for all of you guys? Anyways, guys, now you can see if we talk about the changes of XYO network, so negative 12.5% changes. Negative 12.5% changes occur in the XYO network. For other side, if you talk about the highest price of XYO network, 0.054683 USD dollar. That is the highest price of XYO network in the last 7 days, guys. So you can see here from a price chart, you can see here the price of XYO network very petty decrease, very petty jumps, very petty the price of XYO network dumps. I'm very sad to see this kind of negative changes, but anyways, that is warning for all of you to don't decide to sell, guys. Selling is not a solution in a right now situation. If you sell, so you are already in the loss, guys. But if you hold, so higher possibilities that in the future the price changes will become positive and you get profit, guys. So please hold, don't decide to sell. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates.